Let me show you what to do if your S26 Ultra won't connect into your TV by using Smart View. Okay, so first of all, what is really important, we have to open the settings, go for connections, and two things. You have to make sure that you enabled Bluetooth and that you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network on your S26 Ultra, but also on your TV. Without the same Wi-Fi connection, you will be not able to be connected. Next, you will have to go back from this one and just go for connected devices. And now we are looking for Smart View. And here, take a look. When you click on the three dots in the right upper corner, we can find settings and two important things in the labs: Chromecast support and allow apps to be cast. So I can recommend you to turn on both of those options. So if you have the Chromecast TV, in the most cases, other smartphones will be not possible to be connected. Only, for example, the Google Pixel phones that support Chromecast will be connected, but like Samsung, Xiaomi, or Realme will be not. Once you actually enable this, in the most cases, everything should be fine. And now take a look. When you go for the list, you should already find your TV on the list. But sometimes, if it is not working, then you can simply turn off and turn on your TV. And also we can do the same with your Samsung. You know, the simple reboot often fix a lot of problems. I know that it sounds like super simple, but if you have any problems with any device, first try this step to reboot both of your devices, even for a Bluetooth connection. So now when you did that, you can just go here one more time, check if the TV will be available. In my case, as you can see, everything is fine. But if you still have a problem, you can try two additional things. So the first one, check if you have the new software update. As you can see, for me, I can actually find one. And sometimes after you apply the new update, it fixes a lot of problems. But if the update doesn't help you or you don't have the update, you can go for the general management, scroll for reset, and you can simply try to perform a reset of the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth settings. So try this. Of course, you will have to connect into all Wi-Fi networks one more time because you will just reset everything, but it often fixes a lot of problems. And you can also go to your TV, open the settings by using your remote controller, and you have to also make sure one more time that you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So in my case, I've got connection settings over here, and I have to check the network connection settings. As you can see, my Wi-Fi is enabled and I'm connected to the same Wi-Fi network. I can confirm that. So make sure that is the same for you. Now you can just simply grab your phone, go for these connected devices, select Smart View, and here now you should find your TV. And as you can see, in my case, there is a Samsung TV, and I can just click on it and be connected. And that's basically everything. I hope you find that video useful.